Here we're now having a look at the Torras MiniMag Power Bank. As you can see there, 18 watts charging as well, 7.5 watts wired too, and 5,000 milliampere as well, which is a great power bank. A bit more about it there. Now we're going to use it with our Torras case, which we've done a review on in the past. So the magnet's going to go and stick to that. So let's take a look and have a look at it. Now they say this does 3 years no fade as well in the battery. You can do 500 cycles, which is heaps. And there's a Torras care cable just there. Put that to the side. And we've also got, what else have we got here? We've got the actual battery itself. Now this only weighs half an inch, would you believe? They're just there. Now look at that. Isn't that a thing of absolute beauty? It's half an inch and 6.4 ounces it weighs too. And you've got the battery indicator on there, which we'll show you in a minute. And there's a Torras label. Very beautiful. You've got the user guide just there. You've also got a cable if you want to plug in and use it. But let's start by actually using the battery itself. So you've got the magnet there, and you've got the Torras MagSafe there. So literally put on like that, and look, straight away it works instantly. Now isn't that super fast? So this is wireless charging, so you can have this while you're using your phone, so it doesn't move. Very heavy magnet on there, very slim profile on your phone as well. So unlike other chargers where you have to plug it in, this one you can carry it with you. Now you can also plug this in to other devices. So you get the cable and plug it in there, like that. And plug it in here like this. And you get, watch this. See, so charging on both. Which is excellent. So you can actually charge 2 devices using it, which I think is excellent. Great little device.
You'll need to unlock.
Yeah.